Hi, Acadiana. I'm meteorologist Dave Baker. Welcome to your Tuesday, June the 10th. This is Acadiana Weather Today, a short morning chat on your upcoming weather conditions and how they're going to affect your day. It's hot, it's humid out here, and we've got a good chance for showers and thunderstorms, especially a little bit later on during the day. Real quick look at our sky cam, though, showing quite a bit of fair skies. Just a few high, thin clouds out here, but it is very warm and very muggy. And as far as any rainfall and you're traveling for your morning commute, I don't think you're going to have too many problems early on, and you might be able to escape some of the showers and thunderstorms this afternoon as a complex is going to be coming in from the west. But at this point, it looks like it's going to be edging into the far western parts of Acadiana late this afternoon, and if it holds together, could move into the Acadiana region late in the day or perhaps into the early part of the evening. Now, that complex isn't showing up very well here on the radar. We've seen a few widely scattered showers along a frontal boundary over Cenla, but those temperatures are just so warm and muggy, and those dew points are high too, so it's pretty sweaty out here on an early Tuesday morning. There's that next disturbance that's coming in from the west. You can see it's pretty far out there, but we've got that one and another one that's going to wind up as the upper level pattern has a bit more of a trough over the Great Lakes in New England. And with that northwest to southeast flow, we are seeing those disturbances kind of cruising in from Texas and heading southeastward toward Louisiana. So a frontal boundary is already in place at the surface. So you combine that with that upper trough, the air mass is relatively unstable. So it doesn't take a whole lot to get the showers and thunderstorms going. There could be some pop-up thunderstorms, though, early this afternoon, but that's not the organized stuff that we're looking at from the far west that may dissipate as it gets closer to Acadiana. But you can see overnight and going into tomorrow, there's another complex that will start to stir its way off toward the east, keeping the rain chances elevated going into Wednesday and perhaps Thursday. Now, over the next 24 hours, we are going to be seeing the chances for rain, and most of us are going to see between maybe a quarter and a half an inch of rain. But if you get under some of those heavier downpours, 1 or 2 inches can be expected there. But as far as any severe weather, it's a level 1 marginal risk, so not really expecting a whole lot of severe weather this time around. Temperatures are going to be climbing back to around 90. Notice out to the west, as that storm complex comes in during the late afternoon, some of those temperatures there are rain cooled. And then overnight tonight, it looks like if we get some rain, I think temperatures will drop into the lower 70s. If the rain doesn't quite make it here, we'll probably stay in the mid to upper 70s by tomorrow morning. Gulf satellite is fairly clear right now. We've got some thunderstorms there off of the Florida panhandle. But all in all, we're going to see winds light out of the south and southwest today at about 5 to 10 knots, seas 2 to 3 feet, with a light chop in the protected waters. But look out for those scattered thunderstorms. Those will produce higher winds and seas. And as far as the rest of the tropics, we've got an upper trough that's stretched across the western Caribbean, producing a lot of rain in Central America, and a couple of tropical waves that are pretty minor moving across the Atlantic Ocean. But really, the only thing to kind of watch would be this upper trough that's going to bring some heavy rain to Central America. More likely, the energy from that will work westward, and an already active Pacific side of Central America will probably stay pretty active, as we've got 2 named storms out there and probably a third one coming here very, very soon. As far as the Atlantic Ocean, though, no tropical activity is expected over the next 7 days. So we'll talk more about that, plus the Pacific activity on Let's Talk Tropics. That'll be live today at noon right here on Acadiana Weather Today. Your forecast up to 90 today. It looks like we'll see partly sunny skies for most of the day with a few pop-ups here and there this afternoon. And then watch out for a complex of storms to come in late this afternoon into this evening from the west. And then overnight, things will calm down, temperatures dropping to 74. Looks like another complex of storms will come through on Wednesday, so good rain chances there with a high near 88, 76 Wednesday night, 88 again on Thursday, with showers and thunderstorms more likely popping up with the daytime heating, and the unsettled weather will probably linger into the weekend. Well, I hope you enjoy Acadiana Weather Today. If you do, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and also turn on those notifications. Don't forget you can hear my forecast daily on Big 102.1, Planet Radio 106.7, and Freedom 95.1. And you can also follow my social media pages both on Facebook and X. And thanks to everyone who's already subscribed to Acadiana Weather Today right here on YouTube. If I don't see you at noon, I hope to see you on Wednesday morning. Have a great day.